Going on an adventure to hike up this hill to find out. Well, actually, I'm gonna go check out some macadamia nuts. Oh, I see them.
I haven't seen any ripe ones.
Nope, no ripe ones yet. And longans.
The one's loaded.
Thank you, tree. Your nuts are very tasty. Woo! Gotta watch out. It's pretty wild here from all the winter rain we had. Oh yeah, this is a Cherimoya tree.
I don't see any in the ground. But there's one that's going to be ripe next.
This variety of Cherimoya tree sets fruits without hand pollinating. That's amazing. Because people have to actually get up like early in the morning where it has like the most pollen and you have to hand pollinate them. That's awesome. That does so well, even though it's like you have like freezing mornings and certain nights are freezing over, and then it's still looking so healthy. I mean, some leaves are damaged, but the tree itself is surviving. Being uphill, you're just above the frost line here, so the tree is protected. Those branches there were killed by the frost. But most of the plant, I mean, the majority of this tree is beautiful. Look at this Cherimoya. Still hard, but it's definitely turning yellow here. Wow. Longan in the middle of winter. That's pretty impressive. Wow.
Yeah, not too many people eat this.
But this is so crazy. It's the middle of winter and I'm seeing tropical fruits bearing on this tree. And I'm just gonna eat one just because I can in the middle of winter. Thank you, tree.
Yeah, I thought you might like this.
They're not the sweetest, probably from lack of sun right now, but it's definitely still really amazing.
It's just starting to ripen. Actually,
Oh, they're just starting to ripen.
They
I
need
see.
to turn brown like this.
Long eye, dragon's eye, dragon's eye. And I just ate it. Oh, that's a nice brown one here. And it comes off so easily. This one's quite good. Bay leaf tree. Is it actually a tree or a shrub?
It grows to a large tree.
It grows like a tree, but it's actually probably a shrub, huh?
Just little white flowers. But it doesn't
tree.
seem like they're viable. They don't set seeds.
They just kind of grow a bunch of like shoots from the bottom here. So this is definitely one of the good plants or trees to grow because they're so expensive at the stores. These bay leaves and fresh ones are always going to be better if you like doing cooking. Yeah, and you can dry them, or if you can grow them year round, have them fresh all the time. One last fig left off this tree. It's a bit dry, but you can eat dehydrated. Oh, it smells good. It smells good. It's actually not fully ripe yet. Yeah.
You know what this is?
Not bad for what it is, though.
This is
Oh!
tree basil.
Yeah. Holy basil? I think this is, actually these ones, the seeds, actually germinate.
Yeah,
quite
I started
well.
from seeds.
Yeah. This is a lot of like Tulsi. Yeah, that's what it's called. Tulsi. You start to see a lot of these herbs in like herbal teas. Tulsi, holy basil. Has such a beautiful, a bit minty sweet aroma. Leaves are nice, soft and fuzzy and very high in oil. I can smell it. It's really strong. All right, let's move on through here. Oh, these are so neat. What are these things? This smells amazing. This little like shrub, like ground cover thing that's like silver looking. Very fine leaves. It's like almost like little lavender leaves.
Oh, that's,
what is this?
I forget the
Wow.
name of that.
It smells like it's medicinal. Super high like oil content.
Yeah.
They're so neat. It smells like Chinese ointment.
Does it smell like citronella or?
You planted this for the birds.
There's
This is the
You
Coleus
see
family.
See the Samphire? Just like feed them year round.
Yeah, they gotta have these nectar to feed them, huh? That's nice. Passion fruit.
It's called.
Got some passion fruit growing over this tree. And got some passion fruit going in here. Look at that. Wow. Passion fruit is a pretty hardy vine that we can grow in mild winters. And it's definitely one of those fruits that is poisonous if they're not ripe. So you definitely have to wait for them to get more light and hollow and like shriveled up. The outside needs to be more like shriveled, wrinkly. Then they're safe to eat. And they're very pungent, fragrant, amazing, powerful, tropical kind of a flavor. The passion fruit totally wrapped around this entire area. Like up this tree. All the way across to this other tree. Oh, look at these beautiful. This is I think it's called white sage, right?
Yeah.
So I'm going to dry these and use them for smudging, cleansing, clearing energy, clearing space and such. Thank you. Going to the market. Ah, I can smell them already. Thank you. Oh, this like the dogs that do that job for like picking, detecting smells, and these white sage. This one in particular is super strong.
Yeah,
It can throw them off.
I guess you get the air, you get the oil out of it.
Some animals, like dogs, especially cats, they're more sensitive to smells. So I can see how like certain smells can throw them off. Essential oils, so you got to be careful with them. Yeah, like essential oils can be quite helpful for them, like aromatherapies, but it has to be like diluted a lot, you know, because they're more sensitive to smells than we are. So yeah, using the right amount may help them. Using the wrong kind or too strong of one, they're not gonna like it. Lemon.
I can find change colors.
Oh
You
yeah.
know, you need the code for change colors.
Yeah, the citrus. That's why in Vietnam, the citrus, like the orange,
It
stays
green.
green. Yeah, but they're quite sweet, but they're still green. Kind of trippy. They're juicy. I can feel them.
Yeah.
Nice and juicy.
I have a seedless lemon too, but they don't have lemons on it. I
kind of
have to
variety is
try
it?
to propagate it.
Imagine a seedless variety of lemons. So then you don't have to like put your hand underneath to catch the seeds when you extract the juice.
Or when they
Smells
do
so good.
up here, because down the valley is too cold for it.
Oh.
It's barely alive.
Hmm.
Also have lime trees down there. It's suffers from the freezes.
I'm going to the market.
Yeah,
Like very fresh.
This gets loaded. This tree
Wow.
gets loaded with fruit.
This would be really great if you can make, house cleaning products with it. That's what we use a lot of lemons for. The acid actually kind of eats into like rust. Not rust. What am I saying? Like burned cookware. Yeah, just could put some lemon juice in there or calamansi juice, which actually is a smaller citrus, and they They're probably even more acidic than lemons. So like using those for shining up pots and pans. These honeysuckles give the birds its little energy, year-round nectar, even in the middle of winter. They're really sweet. Like if you pick off this little piece right here. Thank you. And I won't take so many because then I'll be taking food away from hummingbirds. So you just kind of suck on the end here. Wait, that's not it. There you go. It's like a drop of little nectar. Thank you. Off we go. This native soil is so red.
There's a lot of iron in this soil.
Iron.
They're afraid of other animals will take them.
His eyes are closed. He's just like trying to survive, I guess. That's why he's not even afraid of anybody like around. Is it normal their tail just kind of drag around like that? Like he just seems weak. Oh. Oh. Look at the size. He's so little.
Have you tried?
I gotta try. I ate them and they're good, so I was thinking I can try it as a spice. Oh, they snap right off.
They also call them sea fennel.
Yeah.
Because, you know, they use fennel seeds as a spice.
Mm-hmm. Oh, they smell so good. Totally dispersing the seeds as I go.
But they don't come up by themselves. You almost need to plant them.
Oh, like when you just sow them, they don't really do much.
I don't see any volunteers here. So what you want to do is dry the rind that you don't use.
Okay.
And use like in tea or cooking.
Oh yeah, especially these are not sprayed. Oh wow.
The other one's gonna save for seeds.
So you can eat the inside and save the rind of this.
The inside is kind of like lemon or something.
Oh, sour.
Sour.
Lemonade.
Let's plant the seeds.
Loaded my car with some goodies. Well, that was so much fun. I'm sure you guys can tell. I love coming out here to visit my friend, and he doesn't like to be on camera, so that's who you were hearing in like outside of the frame. Yeah, but I'm really grateful to have abundance of fresh fruits and herbs in the middle of winter that I get to go home and prepare and dry and all that sort of stuff. So if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos to come. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram, where I do instant updates of my life and things that I grow and eat and all that sort of stuff. If you like to support me, which I really would be grateful for, you can go check out my website, where I do have some seeds and plants available for you guys. So I'll leave the links to the things I just mentioned just below this video, so you guys can go check out. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.